This episode is brought to you by Leo Bato and Associates, ang realtor na patok. This episode is brought to you by Dr. Lourdes Capulong.
Big venue, small venue, same intensity. Paano nyo nagagawa yun?
Sabi ni Diego 100%.
110%. No iron team.
Kahit apat lang yung tao.
Totoo naman yun.
Same.
Kasi lahat ng mga banda na gusto namin, ganun sila eh. Ganun yung whether it was Red or ano, parang lahat parang all out eh. So, nung bata pala ako, isugo, ganun talaga dapat. This is the way. They're equal lang yung feeling ng 1,000 to 10.
Unfair dun sa pupunta.
Mismo, nagbayad yun eh. And I would like to think that in the early days, because we didn't used to play with a lot of people, kahit na si Raymond at si Mike na yun, aminin na natin, hindi naman kami, Sunday nga kami tumutugtog eh. So, na-win over mo yung 5, next time 10 na yun, may barkada yun, 15, as cliche as it sounds, ganun talaga nag-start yun. I mean, that's at least that's how I think of it. Dahil parang sikat naman yung live act namin dati. Right. Kahit nung 90s pa eh. Parang, uy, totoo, crazy. Doon sila Ray. So yun lang ang feeling ko.
Ikaw, you share that sentiment?
Yes. We all do.
Kasi, you've seen it all.
Sorry?
You've seen it all.
I thought I've seen it all, but you know, I'm still getting surprised especially by new bands.
And ang nakakatuwa sa'yo is,
no, wait. I thought I've seen it all, and then we witnessed the carjacking in San Francisco.
Oh, seryoso?
Live.
Seryoso to?
Among other things.
Hindi natin masabi yung other things that mong witness.
Not safe for podcast.
Not safe for podcast.
Offline, but we thought we'd seen it all. Wag na.
Charagis.
Wag na.
Okay.
Sa San Francisco to?
Yes.
Oh my God. Pero hindi
We were shocked. We were not pleased, but we were never seen it before.
Sorry.
Alam mo, natutuwa ako sa sandwich even more talaga. Tapos, habang kausap ko nga kayong apat, tinitingnan ko mga reaction mo eh. Yung ngiti mo lang na steady. It's very...
It's the alcohol.
Cheers muna tayo.
Cheers.
pero yung yung pinagdaanan mo na nakita mo na lahat, and you're surrounded by 4 brilliant musicians who are talagang good in their own right. You know, like, pinagtatawanan ako ni Diego, sinabi ko, disiplinado. Mukha kayong disiplinado. I
don't think it's discipline kasi we're still, you know, very unpredictable. I think the biggest thing, I've talked about this, it's trust. Parang everybody will take a bullet for everybody. That's how I think. Parang if I bring this arrangement here, Simon would play like a riff and then susundan kita. I'm not sure if it's in the right key of my voice or whatever. If you know the lyrics of whatever, parang susundan kita dyan. Dadali natin hanggang kaya natin and then we'll bring it back or whatever, di ba? Parang
astig nga.
Parang may...
So, ganun kayo pala. Talagang, like ito, halimbawa, yung paano kung mabilis, hindi hira naman bumilis din si Mike eh. Pero paano kung bumilis si Mike?
Susundan mo rin. Diba? Just
like... hinihila niya ako. Si Myrin sasabihin din sa akin minsan, ito yung
malaman, nakatingin na sa'yo si Myrin.
Ganyan. Parang pag gumanon siya, puso. Ibig sabihin, ang bilis ko. Magalan mo.
Ako kayang kay Kevin,
Razorback. Alright.
Sinisignan nila pag mabilis.
Magbilis ka ganun. Si Diego naman, ang signal niya, matatawa na parang sabit ako. Yun yung style niya eh. Parang si Mong naman sasabihin niya sa akin na
ikaw ba, do you play with a click track?
Not live.
Kasi kagabi si Michael Labad was pagbanat ng, sabi niya, naka-click track ba si Mike? Sabi ko mukhang hindi, pero solid na solid. Hindi!
Thanks,
solid,
Mike.
solid na solid ka talaga.
Hindi ka na pag...
Naka-save lahat ng BPM ng songs on all my delays. Parating nandun.
Pucha!
Memory.
Feel.
Kita mo hindi siya nagtatap before the song, ha? Nakasave na. Oh.
Tsaka ito yung nakakatawa. Pag kinount off niya, iba yun. It's a weird habit.
Sobra.
Parang-
Nakakatawa yan.
Pag
Explain yung timing.
Kunwari, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Damn. Come from.
Pero hindi ko
Pero pag dumating na, pag pumasok, tama na. But it's been like, since 1998.
Dati mo pa binabati.
1, 2, 3, 4. Are you happy? Diba? Ang layo. Parang signal lang na, papasok na ako ha. Parang, eto na. Pero, always different. Nasanay na kami. Pero alam mo, pag pinasok niyo yung first note, that's it. Hanggang dulo. Unless
Solid.
hiningi mo yung bilisan o bagalan, nandun na yun. It'll stay there.
Tatawa ka lang.
Solid talaga. Mayroon kayong dalawa ni Mike, when you come up with the rhythm section, the parts, sino ang nag-orchestrate ng areglo nun?
Usually, existent na yung drums nun eh. Di ba?
So, ilalagyan mo ng bass.
Yeah.
Ganun.
Oh.
Like yung riff. Ikaw naman, pag nilalagyan na ng riff, ano sila sa, uy, okay yun, gano'n. Oh.
Riff.
Hindi. Usually,
ng
buo
pattern.
na yung
Oo, buo na eh. So,
Songs
alam na namin ang mangyayari.
Oo eh. Simple lang naman yung mga bass parts namin eh.
Kasi juicy. Sobra. As in dinadissect ko kayo kagabi just in case nga magkaroon tayo ng podcast ngayon eh. Dahil, kaya nga tuwan-tuwa talaga ako kagabi.
Galing nakinig pala si Pax.
Oo
no?
nga eh.
Nagugulat ako eh.
Ako ginagalingan kasi nandun si...
Hindi, as in kami ni Mike talaga, galing talaga.
I sound better if I play with the drums eh. I know that. It's bumibilog yung tunog ko, it's heavier. So I really
Pati tone, no? Nasa set.
yeah. It's part of the drums din. Hindi na bass lang yun talaga. Kailangan swak. Kailangan tight. That's
Galing.
all. That's all.
Okay.
I've checked it out sa Pro Tools. She's even more behind than Mike.
So,
So the sandwich sound is nasa nagitna kami ni Mong. Si Jego's a little ahead. Or I'm a little ahead and me and Jego. Si Mong is in the middle. Si Mike is
Nasa
behind.
likod.
And Myrene is even more behind.
so ang ganda, may tension.
May tension.
Oo.
And then if you...
Nasa 3. Yung accent nasa 3.
Yeah,
It's a weird thing.
Just recently sabi ni Mong na, alam mo, ikaw lang yung nagda-drums na yung accent nasa 3.
Yeah.
I don't count. Hindi ko naman alam kung ano yun eh. Tapos sinabi niya dito ka naglalagay parati ng aksento.
And if you quantize it, it doesn't sound the same.
Yes.
It has to be that dynamic.
And you know what? People take it for granted. O yung mga iba, hindi nila pinapansin yun eh. Kala na kailangan quantize 100% and all. Hindi po pwede. Yun, ang ganda ng sinabi. So si Myrie nasa likod, si Mike nasa likod.
If you quantize it, hindi mabigat.
Hindi magmumula. Yes.
Ginawa sa isang recording.
Yes, we had a recording.
So ito, Pax, nag-recording kami.
Ibang studio.
Nung minix na, nung pinakinggan ko na, sabi ko, sayang naman, nag-drums pa ako, hindi ginamit yung drums ko. Sabi, ikaw yan. Tapos sabi nila sa mga, ay, kinwantize.
Yeah.
Nagtunog machine. Ayaw namin nung talagang nakalinya.
Yes.
Hindi bagay sa amin.
Kahit na naka-click, hindi naka-quantize.
Ang galing eh, no?
It's weird. When they land on the one, it's a little bit behind. If you look at kasi kita mo yung click eh, 'di ba? Makita mo yung grid sa Pro Tools.
Pero pantay na pantay yung
Pero pag in-spread mo yun, makikita mo talaga na nakaganon.
Hindi
right?
naghahabulan.
So ikaw Mr. Squid 9, dahil sanay ka sa mga ganon na pag may pagka-quantize ka sometimes, but by the way pag nagda-drums ka, behind the beat ka rin mag-drums eh.
I'm actually on top. Ahead.
Pag nagda-drums ka?
If I play drums for Sandwich,
Tingin ko
naiiwan sila.
sugod yan.
Ari, seryoso? I've always thought na behind the beat ka palagi tumutugtog eh.
No. Mukha lang.
Okay.
Ginagano lang niya yung kamay niya.
May pang kung fu style.